Hey, what up, homies? Thanks for tuning back into the channel. So here we have Miguel and his workmeisters without the faces. So he just got the lips and barrels back from painting, and we're just waiting on the faces since they were the wrong color. We ended up taking them to Primos, right? Powder coating, and we should be getting those back within a week. And this is his ride. 2003 Nissan 350Z. Later on I'll get a montage of everything with this car from the outside. So we're just waiting on Chona. He's gonna drop off his IS300. We're gonna be doing headers and a diff install since he got it welded. Pretty sure he's gonna slide it. Not sure if it's automatic. He just got the car, but for now let's just wait till he comes. And the maestro has arrived. You could just park it in here. You could just park it in here. Yeah. This is the famous Chona that likes to slide everything in his garage. Watch out with my carrito. Oh shit. Hi.
Hey guys.
So you have the parts in the back?
No, I'm gonna go pick up the headers right now.
Where are you going?
West Covina. And then Janelle would weld the diff that he has, and then I'll bring it to you once he's done.
Yeah, sure. Alright guys, so far what we've done is we've taken off the original tail lights and the center lights, and we installed those, and it looks pretty good. The only thing Chona did ask for was these lights are supposed to be basically running lights and brake lights, but he told me to install white LEDs, so people are gonna get blinded. I warned him, but he said he doesn't care, so that's done. The front HIDs and the turn signals are done. So all that's left is the welded diff, remove the stock headers, and install the aftermarket ones. So now we're gonna do some magic, and there we go. We have headers on. It took a while. It's already sunlight outdoors, but we had an issue when I was trying to install the headers last night. The holes weren't even big enough, so I had to drill all the holes out. This is a no brand header for IS300, but it's in, everything's bolted up. Now it's just putting the intake on, connecting the MAF, and then we wait because I still gotta wait for the diff to get delivered to me. But yeah, everything else is done. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and install everything and then turn it on. Alright, so everything's in. Let's go ahead and get a sound clip of this. Not a huge difference, but I mean, customer gets what he wants, right? So now I gotta go through the heat cycles and get rid of the oil that was on my hands while I was installing it. So that's all the smoke right now. But yeah. Good morning guys. So we ended up stopping here with the car because I ended up doing the rear end on it and the seals are out on the axle shafts. So we're gonna wait till the new seals get here. So meanwhile, today's a new day, and I'm gonna give you guys a cold start on my Lexus. I'm gonna load up the tools, and then we're gonna head over to Tommy's shop and start working on the truck. Alright guys, so we got one off, and that's the hole that I made at the track. That's where the bent frame happens from this side. So we have one more to go, and then now that I actually balanced out the chassis sideways and well, front and back and side to side, I welded the loop a little too down on the passenger side, so I'm gonna cut the tacks off and then re-weld it a little bit higher, and it will be good to go. But for now, I gotta start cutting off that one, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we have both of them cut off, and I ended up welding these temporary cross members, you could say. So when we do notch the chassis and we cut it off, this part of the chassis doesn't flex. I didn't need to, but I ended up welding that little plate right there just in case. But for now, I'm gonna wait for Tommy to finish up what he's doing right now, and yeah, we'll continue from there. What up guys? So today's the next day, and we didn't have enough time at Tommy's yesterday, but today we're gonna make up for lost time, and we're gonna end up putting the seals into the IS300 Diff, and after installing that, we should be good to go. I am wearing sunglasses because back when I used to work in NISSAN or Irvine, my right eye got damaged, and here and there I have a few problems with sunlight. So right now I'm on a week process of putting steroid eye drops into my right eye. So I'm sensitive to light. It kind of hurts to be outside, but hey, a man gotta do what he gotta do, right? So let's start working on this car, and yeah. Alright guys, so the diff is in, the fluid's in, the axles are bolted up, the rear subframe braces are on. So now it's to lower it and test it around the block, make sure everything works, there's no clunking, there's no noise coming from diff, and if all is good, then we're going to go ahead and install the LED front turn signals that he requested to install, and then we will be turning in the car to him. He lives right down the street, so literally like 2 minutes. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the car is done. Everything checked out good, and Shauna's gonna get his car later on today, but for now it's gonna be staying in the street because I gotta clean up my mess in the driveway. Yep. So let's just wait to see when he gets here. It'll probably be around 7, who knows, but until then I'll see you guys in a bit.